Hello everyone. Primary key. A primary key is a unique identifier for each record in a database table. It ensures that each record can be uniquely identified and provides a way to enforce entity integrity. A primary key must have a unique value for each record and cannot contain null values. Foreign key. A foreign key is a field or a combination of fields in one table that refers to the primary key in another table. It establishes a relationship between two tables, known as a parent-child relationship. The foreign key enforces referential integrity, ensuring that data in the child table corresponds to existing data in the parent table. Candidate key. A candidate key is a set of one or more attributes that can uniquely identify a record in a database table. It is a potential candidate for the primary key but may or may not be chosen as the primary key. A table can have multiple candidate keys, and the primary key is selected from these candidate keys. Alternate key. An alternate key is a candidate key that is not chosen as the primary key. It provides an alternative option for uniquely identifying records in a table. Although it is not designated as the primary key, an alternate key is still unique within the table. Composite key. A composite key is a primary key that consists of two or more attributes or fields in a table. It is used when a single attribute or field cannot uniquely identify a record, but the combination of multiple attributes or fields can provide a unique identifier. Surrogate key. A surrogate key is an artificially generated key used as a substitute for a natural primary key. It does not have any meaningful or inherent data significance but serves as a unique identifier. Surrogate keys are typically auto-generated by the database system, often using incrementing numbers or unique identifiers. Super key. A super key is a set of one or more attributes that can uniquely identify a record in a table. It may contain additional attributes beyond the minimum required for uniqueness. A super key can include the primary key, candidate keys, or any other combination of attributes that uniquely identifies a record. Unique key. A unique key is a constraint that ensures the values in a specified column or set of columns are unique across all the records in a table. Unlike the primary key, a unique key allows null values, but it still enforces uniqueness within the non-null values. Natural key. A natural key is a unique identifier that exists in the real world and has a direct relationship to the data being stored. It is based on naturally occurring attributes or characteristics of the data, such as a social security number or an employee ID. Natural keys are often used as primary keys if they meet the requirements of uniqueness and stability. Partial key. A partial key is a subset of attributes within a composite key that can uniquely identify a record in a table. It is used when a composite key consists of multiple attributes, and not all of them are required to form a unique identifier. The partial key, along with other attributes, forms a composite key. Secondary key. A secondary key, also known as an index key, is a non-primary key attribute or set of attributes that can be used to efficiently retrieve and access records in a database table. It provides an alternative way to organize and search data, improving query performance. Unlike the primary key, a table can have multiple secondary keys. Thank you.